Lola from Missouri City has a question about an unlevel floor.
This is something new that has literally popped up.
Yeah.
Okay, Lola writes, check this out. My floor, you see she's got that level? See a little daylight under that level? Well, yeah. She says, my floor, which is ceramic tile on it, is rising. It's risen about an inch in height and about 36 inches in diameter. So it's just kind of coming up in one place, she says. And Lola wants to know what would make the concrete rise like this.
I have no idea except efflorescence, if that's the case, and that means an underground plumbing problem. So maybe that's it. But I'll tell you, first off, let's deal with the floor. It's going to have to be taken up. And the only way to know is to pull it up and find out what's going on under the tile. You can't not do the Karnak, figure it out kind of thing. No, you can't.
My entire life is a lie. I thought you could do that.
There's no mayonnaise jars involved with this one. As far as that goes, though, this is where we cutting-edge tile removal will come in and pull that thing up and find out what's going on. I hope you don't have an underground plumbing problem, but that's what I suspect, or a yard drainage issue with all the moisture we've had too.
Normalize there's moisture getting under there somewhere, it's causing it to swell.
Well, efflorescence is this growth you get on concrete.
Right.
And it's really rare to see it under tile like that, but maybe it is growing and pushing it up.
If it's under the tile, that means it's under whatever the thin set or whatever it's sitting in.
It's in the thin set.
Oh my gosh, and that's bad.
So there's no way to save this. There's no way to make it, I guess the best way to say it, to go back to where it was.
Get a bunch of books, put them on top. No,
no, it's not a wood floor. Okay. You got to pull that out. You're going to have to see what's there. You're going to have to scrape the stuff clean. You're going to have to do some moisture readings, and then you're going to have to rethink your floor
or learn to like it.
Yeah, ignore it. I mean, we can always ignore things. I don't have a problem with that at all.
Here I am. All right, you got a question, go ahead and send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, our website, and go to the upper right-hand corner and click on that Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.